Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I do a comparison of the free versus premium version in FlexClip, a free cloud-based video creation app with which you can create different types of videos using pre-made video templates or create your own videos from scratch. FlexClip is free to use, but there are currently two premium versions, Basic and Plus. The free version has some limitations, and I'll cover some of the key differences. First of all, you're limited to up to 1-minute videos in the free version, compared to 3-minute duration in the basic plan, and up to 5-minute videos in the plus plan. Secondly, you're limited to a maximum of 12 saved projects, as opposed to 50 and 200 saved projects in the premium versions. Thirdly, download resolution is limited to 480p or standard resolution in the free version, whereas the basic and plus plans have HD quality resolution downloads. Fourthly, you're limited to using 1 stock video per project in the free version, compared to 5 stock videos in the basic plan and unlimited stock videos in the plus plan. Finally, you'll have a FlexClip watermark in your rendered videos in the free plan and no FlexClip watermarks in the premium plans. In terms of the pricing, the basic plan costs $60 paid annually, and the plus plan costs $96 paid annually. These prices are subject to change, so make sure to check the FlexClip website. You'll find the link in the description section. To learn more about FlexClip, check this review video as well as my FlexClip tutorials. I hope you found this comparison video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.